Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 days of Halloween look, I am doing a vampire inspired by one of my all-time favorite TV shows, The Vampire Diaries. And I'm just adding on to what I wore today. You can make this your own, use whatever colors you want. I'm using a mixture of a maroon and red. And I'm going to just smoke it out so it doesn't have to be perfect and precise because it is supposed to be messy. And now I am adding the same shades to my lower lash line. I'm adding a little bit of shadow to my inner corners to give my eyes a hollowed appearance. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a clean fluffy brush and just buff out the edges. Even though this is supposed to be messy, I still like my lines to be nice and blended. As I'm blending it out, I'm also kind of dragging it down a little bit to kind of fade it out. Next, I'm lining my lower waterline with a black eyeliner, and then I'm going to go in with a black eyeshadow and place it all over my lid. Using that same black eyeshadow, I'm going to drag it across my lower lash line. Since I already have my brows done, I'm just going to freshen them up a little bit and make them just a touch darker. Next, I'm taking a gray eyeshadow and contouring my cheeks to make them look more hollow, and then I'm going to add the same eyeshadow color just to kind of tie it in with the eyes. And now I'm going to do the veins underneath my eyes. A friend of mine suggested that I try saline water and crush up eyeshadow, and that's what I tried, and it actually worked out pretty well. So I just took a red and maroon eyeshadow and just scraped a little off and made a little paste. And I took a really fine paintbrush, and now I'm just making squiggly little veins. So now I'm going to glam it up a little bit and add some false lashes. You can just throw on some mascara if you don't want to do this step. And after I get both of them on, I'm going to apply mascara to my lower lashes. And to finish off the look, I'm adding this deep berry lipstick. It is one of my favorite fall and winter shades, and I think it goes so well with this look. You could also do a red lipstick if you wanted, and I didn't think about it until I already had all this makeup off, but I think it would have been really cool to add some fake blood to the corners of your mouth and have it dripping down. So definitely give that a try if you recreate this look, because I think that would look really cool. But that is it for this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss my other Halloween looks. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video.